Morning dears. We have completed up to question number 4 from exercise 12a. Look at the question number 5. Here it says which of the following are not the angles of a triangle. You can see 5, 1. The angles are 45 degree, 55 degree and 81 degree. We know, what do we know? The sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we'll be adding these three angles, 45 degree, 55 degree plus 81 degree. What does it gives you? 171 degree, is it? No, 181 degree. Now the sum should be exactly and only exactly 180 degree, neither 1 degree less nor 1 degree more. Is it clear? Now when we add these three angles, we are getting 181 degree. That is more than 180 degree. So this cannot be angles of a triangle. Here you can write 181 degree is greater than 180 degree. Therefore 45 degree, 55 degree and 81 degree cannot be the angles of a triangle. In this way you have to write, you have to add all the three angles and you have to see whether it is equal, less or more. If it is equal, it can be angles of a triangle. If it is less, it cannot be, and if it is more, it cannot be. Next one you can see it is 180 degree. So this will be the angles of a triangle. Then after that it is again more, this cannot be. Then again number 4, it is 180, so it can be a angles of a triangle. So like that you have to add and write, okay. Number 6, it's okay I feel. Okay, let me do number 4 also if you have any doubt. Number 4, you have given 60 degree, 70 degree and 50 degree. So we'll write sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we'll add 60 plus 70 plus 50 is equal to 180 degree. We can write 180 degree is equal to 180 degree, or no need to write this, you just write therefore 60 degree, 70 degree and 50 degree can be the angles of a triangle. Okay, if it is 180, it can be angles of a triangle. If it is not, it cannot be an angle of a triangle. Okay, like that you have to write. Now in question number 6, please write it. Then I will be telling you about question number 6. In question number 6, it says in a triangle ABC, if side AB is equal to side AC, which two angles are equal? See, from 6, 1 I will do, 2 you have to do, 7, 1 I will do, second you have to do. Just have a look for question number 6. One. You have to draw a symbolic triangle. Give the name A, B, C. Here it says AB is equal to AC. Now which angles would be equal? Given AB is equal to AC in triangle ABC. So this angle and this angle would be equal. So you write angle ABC will be equal to angle ACB base angles. Bas finish. This much you have to write. You have to draw a symbolic triangle and you have to write which angles are equal. Okay. Similarly, in question number 7, they have given you a triangle and a triangle PQR. Angle P is equal to angle R, 7, 1. A triangle PQR. Is it? Angle P is equal to angle R. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to angle R. It is given. Is it? If these two angles are equal, so these two sides would be equal. So PQ will be equal to RQ. This much you have to do for question number 6 and 7. 6.1 I have done. 6.2 you have to do. Same copy. 7.1 I have done. 7.2 you have to do. Okay. So for today you leave it up to here. Next day, yes, you have to draw one more triangle for 6.2 and one more triangle for 7.2. You cannot write in the same triangle. Okay. It's a symbolic triangle, not the exact measurement you have to take. Just use pencil and scale, draw symbolic triangle and write what is given in the book and what is asked in the book. Okay. Next day we will be solving question number 8 and all. Till then you must keep practicing. If there is any doubt regarding any sum, you can ask me in comment box. Okay. So keep practicing, dears. Thank you so much.